like you're almost ready to go again.
He's gonna be racing in this one.
Huh?
He's gonna be racing in the flagpole.
He's got the flagpole. Oh, he gets to destroy it this time.
Yeah, he gets to.
Hopefully the flagpole's better than that one.
That was bullshit.
Yeah, that was bullshit.
That was bullshit. When I see the guy that puts it on, I'm telling you, that was really that's not an enduro.
No, that's not.
I said, you know what? You should have advertised it that way if people would understood. I said, but that was not an enduro. Too many cars for that to fuck it up. Hope you got another strut with you.
No, that was it.
Go to the junkyard, start buying some struts.